model, 2015 Peugeot Boxer L3 2.2 HDi Professional Long MOT Long Wheelbase, MOTED Grin. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 157,662. MOT, 3 April 2024. Engine, 2198 cc 4 HHB. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on dash. The starter motor will need replacing soon as it stays on for a short while after starting. Still starts and drives as it should. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is average. Interior is average. Rear load area is average. Features, 1 former keeper, air con, parking sensors, cruise control, electric windows. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £4,875. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.